Guys, you're welcome to this episode on Weekly Forecast. You're highly welcome to this channel. Please do well to subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'll be doing my analysis on USDCAD and the dollar. So I've seen this pair to be a viable one for this week. USD has been considerable, generally weak for some time now. So you can see this on the weekly chart. It took out this high, the highest high from here. That was when there was a buy liquidity sweep, and then market started selling with a very high momentum, and the fundamentals for USD has been also conforming to this, which has contributed to this movement, and the sellers are still in control. But then we've gotten to a point where the market is like there should be a possible retracement. As you can see, we have marked this my rectangular box. There's a level around there. Why did I say there's a level around there? So if you check, you see that there was a breakout that happened around here. If you see this area here, you see there's a breakout here. This is the USDCAD on the weekly. If you see there's a breakout around here when the price initially broke out from here. So ever since then, it has been tangling around this area, playing around this, taking levels from here, around this range. It just broke out from there again. So, and this was where initiated that movement for that breakout. That's why I marked this area as my level. So I'm expecting price to react at that point where the current price is now. So, and this is on the weekly. So we'll go on the daily to see better. So this is what we have on the daily. So on the daily, we've just found out that price just broke out from this level, and price has gotten to another level where I think buyers will be interested in. And also checked the fundamentals for this coming week, which is October 26th to the 30th. On Thursday, Friday, there are possible high impact news on USD with a considerable positive forecast for that pair for USD currency. So we expect a pull, a retracement back to this area where market just broke out from. Although since the USD is currently weak generally, I'll be expecting by Monday, Tuesday, I'll be expecting this price movement to keep this momentum to push the market, probably to take out this low. This level I marked at, it might possibly take out this low, you get, because there'll be a lot of buyers that might want to be buying. So I think it will take out this low before I start buying. So I'll be waiting by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let me see the reaction. Then I'll set I'll come into the market before Thursday, Friday to see if there'll be a retracement. I believe the fundamentals and the forecast will come out to be exactly the way it is, or even better. So I'm expecting USD to have a considerable strength this week. So I don't expect this price to push past this level. I expect the retracement to come test this area where the market has just broken out from, to test this area before it start pulling down again, even though it will still go down anyway. So we'll go down to the H4, we'll go down smaller, little by little, to be seeing the price actions that's happening around there. So you can see generally this is what happened. So what do we have here? So you can see that breakout. That's why I marked. That's why I had to spot out this area where the market just broke out from. You get, so that's the level we're expecting price to come into this area, to test this area, and then we'll go for a short to sell down to this area, back to test, to take our demand here again. So that's what I'll be expecting. I'm expecting a buy from here up to this area. Then I'll wait for the market to react and know if it will break up this area or if it will return back to this base. But however, I'm expecting USD to be better, to be stronger this week, so expect a buy on USD pair. So go down again onto the H1. The H1, you can see the entire technical analysis price action that is happening. Spot out this trend. We'll have this trend. So you can see that's an obvious trend. You watch price, you see how price is playing around this trend, and then it got to this area where we had our levels. It broke out from that area and it created a supply around here. That's why I marked it. That was the area I just broke out from. So I'm expecting price to play around there, maybe take out this low and then start coming back to test this area again. So that is what I'm expecting for USD Canadian dollar. So this is what we're expecting. Price will eventually push down again. Price will eventually push down again to take out this place, come into this area, play around there, and I'll wait for a buy signal, take that signal, and then maybe take profit around here. We'll just hold the price action goes exactly the way we have predicted or the way we're seeing it. However, if price comes here and then gives any good price action again, I'll still go for a short, because from the weekly, as you can see, the price is generally selling. So this is what we're expecting. So that's what we have for Euro USD. I'm going to take an analysis on gold also. From the gold, we're taking the daily. From the daily, let's see from the weekly anyway. We go from the weekly, you see that this week this price has just broken out from here. You can see this bullish green candle, another green one also, even though it's not that strong, but it's showing a sign of bullish movement because it's closed bullish. That is green. So we still expect a buy continuation for gold USD, but I don't know how strong that will be because of the USD. But I'm thinking might be considerable strength this week to gain back the losses it has made for the past 3 weeks. But however, let's see the price action that is playing around there. So go down to the D1. From the D1, you can see what we have here. This is where we come in. You see price just broke out from here. You see this area, price has just broken out from there. So I'm expecting price to come in into this box to test this area. I'm not expecting price to break out past here because of this trend. We have a trend coming here, and also there's a breakout from here, so price cannot break out here and then break out here most of the time, especially when there's a trend taking up from there. So I'm expecting this fair value gap to be filled here. I won't call it a fair value gap, but I'll just call it another block. This is another block where there's a demand from here. This is what instigated the push that broke out from this level. So since price is playing around here, I don't know, price might decide to come up, take out these highs, come down, and then test our level here, this gap that is remaining here, to fill up this trend before it starts pushing up again. So that's what we're expecting. But then we'll go down again to the H4. This is the H4. So you can see the clear breakout from this structure. You can see the clear breakout. Price just broke out. Price is here. It's trying to, it tested that area, but it did not actually fill the gap exactly how I would like, in terms to my technical analysis knowledge. So I feel price will eventually come down again to test this area properly, take the proper demand around here, and then before it pushes up again. So I've not been looking to buy, I've not been looking to sell, rather I'm looking to buy gold. But price will have to retrace down to this point first before I'm going to buy around 2470. I'm expecting price to come there or below before I will take a buy for over 20 pips to go for 60 pips. That's about 1:3. So that's what we're expecting for gold. So that's what we have for this week. Alright guys, take care, have a great week, have a blessed one. Do take care of your health. God bless. Take care.